So welcome back Javano. In this video we are going to learn how we can control mesh in particularly tetrahedral as well as in uh, hexahedral. Hexahedral might be I will be covering in next video. So here you can see on this curved surface there is a fine meshing at the top and it is becoming coarser as it goes away from the center. Again at the bottom you can see here is a very fine meshing on the base of the at the base of the component, whereas on the other surface there is a coarse meshing. So this we can control with the help of mesh control command in the mesh group. I will explain all this thing from beginning. So let me start with the new component, meshing tetrahedral. So in this video we will be looking tetrahedral meshing only. So this is the component which we have .prt file. I will go to the applications, and in application I will open the pre-post environment. It is the simulation. Now I will create a frame file in simulation environment. I presently don't require idealized part file, that's why I am not opening it or not creating i.prt file. So this mesh control we either do before meshing or even after meshing. You can give the instructions how we want that meshing to be controlled. So it is better if we will give a instruction before meshing, so I will do that. Before that, let me convert this background, make it dark. So in the mesh control, from the mesh group, once I click on the mesh control, so I want to, let us assume, do some control or instructions, give instruction to control mesh on this fillet surface. So what I want, I just want to see this fillet surface, outside fillet surface. So I can use the utility group. In utility show only fillet, I will select fillet faces. This is a filter. In the fillet also I will give the precise instruction. Fillets having a radius, minimum radius 1.25 to 1.75 maximum radius. Those parts I want to see only. Alright, so here you can see these are the selected parts. 5 atoms it has been selected in the adjacent face or fillet face. Here you can either give a fillet face command or keep it as it is. Let me once again do it. Now I am clicking on OK. Once I will click OK, here you will find a new mesh control, what I can say, tree. Say OK. Mesh control has not been applied, only this height command is applied. Once again I will apply, because I was simultaneously trying to do both the operations. Utility I have done. I will once again explain you. See, show all I am doing, it will show me all the features, all the complete component. If I will click on show only, and will see the apply this filter fillet faces, and in that I have applied this 1.25 to 1.75, and once I select this complete component, it will select only 5 faces which having the precise or the instructed dimensions. So it will show me this one only. So on these 5 faces I want to apply mesh control. Now here are some different control techniques. Like if I want to specify a number on particular edge, let us assume this edge number of elements I want to control, then I will use this. Another thing is size on each edge. So size of element on the edge. Other features which we have, let us assume size on face. So these are the faces I want to select, and here I can specify the element size. Either I can select one by one, or we have a filter tangent faces. So it has selected all these faces. So I will put here very small 1 mm dimension, and as soon as I click OK, here the mesh control has been created. So mesh density has been controlled or instructed before doing a actual meshing. So once I will create meshing, it will automatically take these instructions and will follow the meshing pattern. Now I will unhide all the parts. Then one more filter, let us assume on this face I want to control meshing, or on this edge face I have already explained. Now I will explain one of the edge control feature, mesh control feature. So size on face or number on edge, let us assume on this edge we have size and number, both the controls. So number on edge, target edge 1, 2, and let us assume number of elements. How many number I want? 25 number of elements on these particular two edges. And again one more thing I can see, before applying this feature we can preview. Select automatic preview. So these many spots it has been spotted by the software. So in this manner all the 25 elements will be placed. Again one more thing which we can do, automatic size is also specified. So it is suggesting us to keep a automatic size, or minimum size element we can apply 1 mm, which we have already given. So it is up to you whether you want to select minimum size element or not. So distributed on connected edges, say OK, or you can see the preview. So see, previously I have given 25 and it has given 12. So mesh distribution along this has been coarse than the previous. Again if I will keep it 25 and say or preview, it will increase the number of elements or the spots. Say apply, you will find a mesh density or mesh control command or feature here. This is the symbol. You can again increase or decrease the size of this symbol as well, but that's not the matter of our study. So on these two features, on face and edge I have selected. Let's try one more feature. We have selected a number on edge, right? Size on edge we can try. So size on edge, again I am selecting another side feature, curve, or what can I do? Where is the curve? Let us assume this is the edge. So on this edge, on only one edge I will apply, not on both. On this edge only, size on this edge. So it is a sort of curvature. Overall, instead of overall, what I will use, start and end. At the start of this edge and at the end of this edge, I want particular element size. So starting from 1 mm and to 3 mm. So or 5 I will keep as it is, so you could be able to identify the difference. So it will vary from 1 mm to 5 mm or 8 mm, which I have given. And even you can see the preview. So like see, here is the fine mesh elements, and it is becoming coarser from start to the end. So this is how start to end. Again you can change it at the end only. Let's see preview. So it is giving such type of feature. At the start will be similar, I think. No, at the start high, start to end, or only end. Start to end we can change this 1 to 1 mm size to 8 mm size element. Automatic you can create. So it is giving me such a feature. Say okay. So we have given instructions for meshing. So let's see how our mesh will be generated. Directly going to the 3D meshing as usual, which we have seen in previous videos. You can go through the playlist in the description. Let us assume I am again applying a automatic mesh size. See tetraton it is taking. Body I am selecting. This complete body I have selected, and either you can automatically create a collector, or if you have already created collector, then you can select that one. So let's try. So it has created few features. Now you can check whether it has followed our instructions or not. See, in add the surface, on the surface we have given some particular element size or a number of element density we have precisely given or instructed before the meshing. So it has taken that type of meshing. Again, add on this surface we have given some instructions. Where is that face? Or here, let's see. So I have given particular instruction that density on these edges should be particular. Let me check. So I have said it on this face, not on the face. I want to select on the edge. I think I have given it on edge. So you can check either one by one what we have selected. As I have told you 2-3 commands, so it is difficult to identify which command is properly followed. Alright, even let us assume I am giving one more instruction, size on face or size on fillet. Biasing, let's try. Biasing I will try on the, let me delete this one first, so that I can only alright. Biasing on edge, this edge, start, end, center I am choosing. So from here I want to increase the mesh element size, and here should be the fine elements and away should be the coarse elements. So what I will do, from center of the edge, number of elements should be 3, or let's assume 25 I am keeping, and bias ratio I am keeping as it is. Let's see preview. See here you will find the fine meshing, and away from the center it will become coarse. Say okay. Hereafter you have to update this mesh. So see, here is a fine mesh, and as we are going away from the center of this curve, it is becoming a coarse. So this is how we can control mesh depending upon the client requirement or the problem statement. So this is all about the quality of a mesh, controlling the quality of the mesh. In next video we'll be seeing or learning the hexahedral meshing and some other meshing techniques. Thank you for watching, and you can follow me on YouTube as well to see the previous videos regarding the creation of idealized file, idealization, then solving the problems. We can even try creating the new frame files from here. So that is already explained in previous videos, and in coming videos also I will be explaining the some more techniques regarding meshing as well as solution post processing as well. Thank you.